In today's video, we mainly focus about file management, one of the function of operating system. Okay, before learning about file management, first we need to know about file. First, we need to know about file. අපි සිංහලෙන් කියන පුතේ මේකට ගොනුව කියලා. Right? If you want the Sinhala words, you can write it using pencil. Right? In your tune, note down the Sinhala meaning also. Right? File. Now let's see what is mean by file. Right? What's the file? Yeah, Sindhu, could you please read my screen for me and your friends?
File used to store any data, instruction and commands. Letter, chain, song.
Okay, thank you. What is a file? File used to store any data, instructions and command. File used to. File එක පාවිච්චි කරනවලු. File is used to store. Okay, do you know the Sinhala meaning of store? Store? What does it mean, පුතේ? Store? Store කරනවා. We can store something. Store. Storing. What is it? Very good, Patio. Gabada karna. Very good. Gabada karna. So, file is just like a containers. We can store any data. Onama dattyak, any data. And what's mean by instruction? Instruction. Instructions. Sinhala meaning. What's the sinhala meaning of instructions? Instructions can you another? Yeah? Instructions.
Having wheel.
Instructions. Upades. Right? Upades. File used to store any data, ඕනෙම දත්තයක්, any instruction, ඕනෙම උපදේශයක්, and commands. Commands. Command කරනවා. Command කියන්නේ මොනවද පුතේ? What's mean by command? Command. අණ කරනවා. විධානයක්. Very good. විධාන. So, file is used to store any data, any instruction and command. Right? So, for example, for letter, by using MS Word, we can create letters. ලියුම් අපිට ලියන්න පුළුවන් phone එකෙන්, computer එකෙන්. So it is a file. Right? By using paint software, you draw a beautiful picture and save it. It is also a file. Then you have saved a song to your computer. It is also a file. And you have a dancing video. It is also a file. So file can be anything that we use to store data and instructions and command. අපි computer එකේ store කරන ඕනිම දෙයක්. So what we store in the computer is known as file. Is it clear to you, මගේ පුතේ? මේක තේරුණාද? Understood or not? What is file? Understood or not? Answer me. If not, tell me. I'll repeat it again. Understood? Yes, right. So, file. File mean anything we can use to store data, instruction, command. For example, it may be video, it may be song, it may be a picture, it may be a PDF file, and PDF, it may be a PowerPoint presentation, anything, right? So, we know operating system helps to do file management. Operating system එක file manage කරන්න උදව් කරනවනේ නේද? Operating system helps to do file management. We'll have learnt it. Right? In the previous lesson, in the previous class session, we discussed one of the function of operating system is file management. Now, let's learn how it helps to do file management. How the operating system helps to manage files. There are some ways. Yes, Chalindu, could you please read what are the ways of managing files? Yes, quickly.
To name, to name a file, to edit documents, to save files in a preferred place.
Very good. One of the help is to name a file. Okay, when we save a document, when we save any file, we have to give a name, right? So when we give a name, one part of name is given by the operating system, not by us, right? I'll teach you in today how it name, right? So operating system helps to name a file. Operating system helps to name a file and also to edit document. Edit I venas karan, right? Edit a document. And also operating system helps to save files in preferred location. Preferred කියන්නේ සිංහල meaning එක කැමති තැනක. අපිට ගැලපෙන තැනක save කරන්න, file එක save කරන්න help කරන්නේ operating system එකම තමයි. Right. Now back to your tute. Back to your tute. Go to the topic file. Go to the topic file. Right? Okay. This is your tute. You can see what is file. File used to store any data, instruction and command. Example, letters, paint, songs. Under that you can see how the operating system helps to manage file. To name a file, to edit document, to save files in preferred place. Right. Now, I think you know about files and how the operating system helps to do file management. Okay? Right. Now, in my screen, you can see some examples for files that are saved in our school computer. අපේ ස්කෝලේ computer එකේ save කරලා තියෙන documents. Files ටිකක් list එකක් තමයි මේ පේන්නේ. Here you can see some files that are stored in our school computer. So I told you anything that we save in the computer, we can say it is a file. The computer එකේ save කරන ඕනිම දෙයක්. Now let's check our list. Right? First one. List of term test marks. I can create a list of term test marks. For that I can use Excel, MS Excel or spreadsheet software. Right? Now you don't know about it, but just remember that name, Excel. Okay? Then a video of a drama. For example, there's a drama in school theater. Then we can video it and save it in our school computer. අපිට පුළුවන් drama එක video කරලා record කරලා ඒක save කරනවා ඉස්කෝලේ computer එකේ. Then letter for parents. Sometimes your teacher need to inform you there's a parents meeting. Then your teacher will give you a letter, informing letter. So, letter is a file. National anthem. Do you know the Sinhala meaning of national anthem? National anthem. Jatika. Jatika Giya, right? Is it a video or it may be a video or song? Right? So the national anthem is a song and it is a file. Then images of sport meet. Sport meet එකේ ඡායාරූප. So it's also file. Right. Now you can write down these 5 files in your tube. There's a space to write down and you have to add 3 more files to your list. මගේ ටීචර්ගේ ස්ක්‍රීන් එකේ තියෙන ලිස්ට් පහත් ලියාගෙන නැත්නම් ෆයිල් පහත් ලියාගෙන ඒ වගේම you have to add some your own files to your list. ඔයාලගෙම උදාහරණ තුනකුත් ලියන්න ඕනි. Okay? Shall we start your things about file? Right? Okay. See, here you can see some examples for file symbols. By looking at these icons, yeah, we can see this is a file with text. It means this file contains letters and numbers. So, here you can see, when you see this icon, right, when you see this icon, this is a file with sound. This is a file with voice. And if you saw this icon, yes, you have to remember, this will be video file, right? This will be text file. And when you see this icon, you have to remember this is a file with image. Sometimes these images will be different, right? According to the software, they may be different. But here you can identify the image file. Here you can see an image inside this file, image icon. And you can identify a sound file. So this is a notation we use in music. Text file you can easily identify. It's like a letter. Okay? See, this is like a film roll. You can identify it as a video file. I'm not going to draw these things with you. Just look and try to remember. Okay? Right? Go to your tude. Okay, now you know about file. අපි දැන් ෆයිල් එක ගැන දන්නව නේද යසිඳු? Yes? Do you know about file යසිඳු? ෆයිල් එක ගැන දන්නව නේද?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. So file may be any paint, any sound file. It may be a video file or text file. It contain letters and numbers, right? Okay. When we save a file contain two parts. File එකක කොටස් දෙකයි. There are two parts in a file name. So we can say it as file name and file extension. File name and file extension. So now listen to me very clearly. This is important part, right? File name and file extension. File name and file extension, right? Okay. File name is given by us. We are the person who give the file name, user. We give the file name. But file extension is given by the operating system, right? File name is given by the operating system. Okay, when we save a file can contain two parts. They are file name and file extension, right? File name and the file extension. Two different parts, right? In the next part, I will show you, okay? Okay. Now, there's a file name and file extension, right? File name is given by the user, it means us. And the file extension is given by the operating system. Okay? Right. Now, in your tute, you can see this image. Can you see this image in your tute? Yes, Indu?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. So, take your pen and write down File name is given by the user and the file extension is given by the operating system. And Chalindu, you can quickly write them in a paper. System and the file name is given by user. Now you don't know. Teacher told file contain two parts, file name, file extension. But what are those two parts? We don't know. Okay, let's learn, right? Now, let's see. Here you can see a file, right? So, this file was created by me by using Microsoft Word. So, do you ever heard about Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word කියන එක ගැන අහලා තියෙනවද පුතේ? No? Ah, right. Okay. Microsoft Word is a software, right? So, we use it to write letters, create invitation card, magazine, past papers, newspapers, reports. We use it to do any paper based, text based document. අකුරු ලියලා තියෙන මොනවා හරි document එකක් හදාන්න පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ. So we call them as word processing software. අපි ඒවට කියනවා පුතේ word processing software කියලා. වදන් සැකසුම් මුදුකාංග කියලා තමයි ඔන්න සිංහලෙන් කියන්නේ, right? So by using this word processing software, I have created a document. I have created a file. Teacher file එකක් හැදුවා. And when I save the file, I give the name Kamal. Teacher file එක save කරද්දී දීපු නම තමයි කමල් කියන්නේ. Right? And when I see it later, but my file name contain two parts. Teacher save කරද්දී දුන්නේ කමල් කියලා විතරයි. හැබැයි teacher save කරලා ඉවරලා පස්සේ බලද්දී ඒකේ තියෙනවා කොටස් දෙකක් එකතු වෙලා. කමල් dot DOCX. So DOCX is given by operating system. But Kamal, that word is given by user. Now can you guess Kamal? What is it? DOCX, what is it? Kamal, is it a file name or file extension? Kamal ni, is it a file name or file extension pute? It is given by user. ඒක දෙන්නේ ඒ නම දෙන්නේ user. එහෙනම් user දෙන එකට අපි මොකක් කියලාද කිව්වේ? What we called it when the user give the name, we called it as, yes, answer me quickly. User දෙන එකට අපි මොකක් කියලාද කිව්වේ සින්දු?
File name.
Very good. We call it as file name. And DOCX, it's given by the operating system. So then what is its name? What we can say it? Chalinda? DOCX, it's given by the operating system. Then is it?
File extension.
Very good. He called it as file extension, right? Again, I am repeating the same thing. This is a Word document created by me using word processing software. And when I save this, I give the name file. I give the name Kamal, right? But after saved my document, after saved the file, when I see it back, I can see there are two names. They are separated with dot mark, right? Then right hand of the dot is file extension. Left to the dot, we can say file name, right? So file name is given by the user and the file extension is given by the operating system. මේ file extension එක දෙන operating system එක. But operating system gives the file extension according to the software we use to create this program. දැන් ෆයිල් එක්ස්ටෙන්ෂන් එක කැමති විදියට එයා නම් ඔපරේටින් සිස්ටම් එක කැමති විදියට ෆයිල් එක්ස්ටෙන්ෂන් දෙන්නේ නෑ මගේ පුතේ. There is a theory. So, file extension is given to the user according to the software we use to create it. එයා කැමති විදියට එක්ස්ටෙන්ෂන් දෙන්න බෑ. ඔයා මේක ගන්න කියන්නේ. කොහොමද දෙන්නේ? It gives the file extension according to the software we use to create it. අපි මේ document එක හදන්න භාවිත කරපු software එක අනුව තමයි දෙන්නේ, right? Today we have to draw a chart, okay? According to the software, operating system decide the file extension for each file. Right? Operating system එක තමයි decide කරන්නේ මොන file extension එකද දෙන්නේ කියලා. එහෙම decide කරන්නේත් පුතේ මෙයා හදලා තියෙන software එක අනුව බලලා. So, this is the file created through word processing software. Then we can say this is file extension and the file extension name is doc. D-O-C-X. Docs. D-O-C-X. Right? Understood? තේරුණාද මගේ පුතේ මේක? Understood or not? Now we are going to discuss this chart. Right? Okay. Help me. Right? Help me. Right. First name is, right? First name is grade 6A dot docx, right? Grade 6A dot docx. Right, now help me. Okay, here can you see the dot mark pute? Can you see the dot mark? Can you see the dot mark? Yes, Chalindo, can you see the dot mark?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, then right side to the dot mark is called file extension, right? Then left side to the dot mark, we can say what is it, Puta? It's file. It is file name. Okay? First I will discuss this with you. After that I am going to ask questions from you. Right. Here, first one is grade 6A dot docx. So as we discussed earlier, there is a dot mark. Then right side of the dot mark, we can say it is file extension. So this is the file extension docx. So you have to remember these file extensions, right? Then file name is grade 6A. This file name is given by the user and the file extension is given by the operating system. Then file type. This is docx. Therefore, it is a word file. Therefore, it is a word file. Make a docx extension. Right? Therefore, in word files, we use the file extension docx. මේක අර අකුරු තියෙන ෆයිල් එකක් නේ පුතේ. ඒ නිසා අපි docx තමයි use කරන්නේ. So, what is the software we use to create this is word processing software. Right? You don't need to worry about these new words. Just look and have some idea. නිකම් බලලා පොඩි idea එකක් ගන්න. මොකද අපි ඉස්සරහා පාඩම් වලට යද්දී, right, when you go to grade 7, 8, 9 upward, you will learn about these things. Up to now, as small kids, you don't know about these big words. දැන්ට මේ ලොකු වචන දන්නේ නැහැ. හැබැයි චූට්ටක් මතක තියාගන්න ඕනි. right? මේවා මොකද කරන්නේ කියලා දැනගන්න ඕනේ. අපි ටික ටික ලොකු වෙද්දී මේවා ඉගෙන ගන්නවා. right? Then, One example for word processing software is MS Word. MS Word. Right. So understood the first did you understand the first row පුතේ? පළවෙනි row එක තේරුණාද? Did you understand the first row?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Let's go to second one. In second example, file is exercise dot XLSX. Right? So let's consider the dot and right side of the dot is file extension. So the file extension is XLSX. So it is and the file name is exercise. අපි මේකට කියනවා පුතේ අර Excel ෆයිල් එකක් නැත්නම් මේකට ස්ප්‍රෙඩ්ෂීට් ෆයිල් එකක් කියලා. right? එතකොට මේක හදන්න යූස් කරලා තියෙන ස්ප්‍රෙඩ්ෂීට් software එකක්. example එකක් තමයි Microsoft Excel කියලා කියන්නේ. right? Then third one lesson3.pptx. So I am using pptx to teach you. Then teacher යාලට උගන්වන්න මේ පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ PowerPoint presentation. Right? The teacher උගන්වන්නේ මෙන්න මේවයි. lesson3.pptx. Teacher හදාගෙන තියෙන්නේ මෙන්න මේ වගේ ටිකක්. Right? Here let's divide this into two parts. So file name is lesson 3 and pptx mean file extension. So it is a presentation file and this is created using presentation processing software. Example is MS Paint. Right? According to the software, file extension may be different. අපි මේ ෆයිල් එක්ස්ටෙන්ෂන් එක නිකන් නෙමෙයි දෙන්නේ පුතේ. මෙන්න මෙතන යූස් කරලා තියෙන software එක දිහා බලලා තමයි ෆයිල් එක්ස්ටෙන්ෂන් එක දෙන්නේ. right? Next one image.png. png image file එකක්. පින්තූර file එකක් තියෙන්නේ. එතකොට picture mean the name given by the user. Then we can say it is a file name. And next to the dot, it means right side to the dot, we can see PNG. PNG kya දැක්ක ගමම්ම when you saw the PNG extension, you have to remember, this is a image file. එතකොට මේක image එකක්, image file එකක්. We use image processing software. අපි මේකට පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ image processing software. Example is Microsoft Paint. You already know about this software. ඔයාලා මේ software එක ගැන දන්නවනේ පුතේ. ඒ නිසා ගැටලුවක් නැහැ. There's another file. picture1.jpg. picture1.jpg. අන්න පොඩ්ඩක් වෙනසක්. PNG, JPG. Yeah, both are used to indicate file. Image file. Both are used to indicate image file. අපි මේ image file පෙන්වන්න JPG, PNG, JPGE තව තියෙනවා, right? So up to now, no need to learn more. Let's learn only about those two file extension. Picture 1, JPG. Right? Then video. There's a video. By the first sight we can identify. පාරිම අපිට අඳුර ගන්න පුළුවන්. MP4, right? File extension is MP4. File name is dance. So we know it is a dance. It is a file video, file processing software. Examples. There are a lot of file processing software, video file processing software. Game player, media player, VLC player. You can use any player. Here there's something missing. See, I have a song. Name is song.mp3. Right. Now, Yasindu, Please tell me, Magipute, what is the file extension here? Song.mp3. What is the file extension here? Yes, Putte, what's the file extension here? Yes? Tell me. Teacher Kyan Putte Ikmanta. What is the file extension here? Third
M
one.
MP
Second one, second one.
MP4.
Second one, second one.
Uh, S is
Exercise.
X
It's
L L S X.
right. Exercise.1 is the file name and file extension is XLSX. Right. So this file is created using spreadsheet application software. Right. Okay, let's go to the third one. Yes, yes. Chalindu, what's the file extension here? What's the file extension here? Chalindu, what's the file extension
A
here? Ah,
image 0445.
ah, it's the file name, right? It's a file name. File extension. ඒක file එකේ නම.
JPG.
JPG. So, JPG is given by the operating system. The name JPG is given by the operating system because this is a image file. මේක image file එකක් නිසා තමයි ඒ නම හම්බ වෙන්නේ, right? Next. There is another one. What is it? Okay, Yasindu, could you please tell me the file extension here? Fourth one, file extension here. What's the file extension here, Putte? Yasindu. The make a file extension එක. Hmm? Uh, Tomorrow also we have ICT class. So, could you please do the activity 2.3? Is it okay to do? Do you have enough time? Hmm? Is it okay to do the activity 3.2? Uh, right. Can you do the first two questions in activity 3.2? Yes? Okay. Yes or not? Yes, Indu? Can you do the first two questions in activity 2.4 to 3.2, Pute?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. Okay. When you join to tomorrow class, could you please do the activity? Could you please complete it? The activity 2.3.2, question number 1 and question number 2. Okay. Question number 1 and question number 2. Okay. Got
Excuse
it?
me, teacher. මේ
Yes.
එට කීයටද
Okay.
මල්ලි තියෙන්නේ හතරටද?
Yes, as our usual time. We can start our class at our usual time. අපි හතරටම class එක කරනවා හෙටත්. Files available in my computer. Likewise, so when I go back, see, oh, these are files. File extension english.docx, right? All are files in my computer. Likewise, in your personal computer, there may be lot of files, right? So, all these files we can identify using their icon. Okay? After that, we discuss file has two types, file extension and file name. File name is given by user and file extension is given by who? Who gives the file extension? Who gives the file extension?
Operating system.
Very good. Operating system gives the file extension. User gives the file name. Right? Okay. We discuss and lastly we discuss this table. So you have to go thoroughly through this table. Right? Because in the next week by using this table we have to complete the third question in the activity 3.2. අපි ලබන සතියේ 3.2 activity ලබන සතියේ නෙමෙයි. Not the next week. Tomorrow itself we have to do the activity 3.2 question number 3 using this table. So, please tell me, can you understand what I discussed to you up to now?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, right. How about Chalindu? Understood or not?
Understood.
Right. Okay. Thank you so much. So when you join the tomorrow class, please complete the homeworks and let's continue from here. Right? Now I want I take to your hand, take answer sheets. Okay? Right? Fill in the table by categorizing the following devices into input devices, output devices, storage devices and communication devices. Right. Below you can see a list of hardware devices. Now what we have to do, we have to divide them into input
Bye.
devices, output devices, storage devices and communication devices. Think there are 4 baskets. We have to separate them into relevant baskets, right? Baskets names are input devices, output devices, storage devices and communication devices, right? Okay, keyboard. So, what is it? Keyboard. To which container we can put this keyboard? Is it input, output, storage or communication? Chalindu? Keyboard? What is it? Yes, answer me quickly. Kumadi can teacher uttare. Keyboard. What is it? Anyone? Could you please answer me, Petio? Keyboard, what is it? Chalindu? Okay, I'm going to discuss this. Keyboard, right? Keyboard. It is a input device. Keyboard is a input device. Right? You can categorize it into input devices. Speaker. Right?
Output device.
Very good. It's a output device. Then mouse. Mouse.
Input device.
Very good. It's a input device. Printer.
Input
Printer.
device.
Printer.
Input device.
Yeah, no. It's a output device. If you want to take a hard copy, if we want to take a printout, we can use printer. අපි hard copy එකක් print out එකක් ගන්න use කරන්නේ printer එක. So it is a output device, right? Router. What is it? Router.
Storage.
No, it's a communication device. Why? Because the router, we can have the internet facility. By using the internet, we can do the communication. It is communication device. Router is a communication device. Hard disk. Hard disk.
Communication device.
It is a storage device. Hard disk is the main storage device in our computer, right? CD. CD.
Storage.
Very good. It's a storage device. Then modem. Modem. Similar. Modem.
Communication device.
Very good. It's a communication device. Then DVD. DVD.
Storage device.
Very good. It's a storage. Web camera. Web camera.
Input device.
Very good. Scanner. Scanner.
Input device.
Very good. Monitor.
Output device.
Very good. Monitor is considered as the main output device. Then multimedia projector.
Output device.
Very good. Multimedia projector is used to project our screen to a larger area, larger screen, right? Then pen drive, pen drive. What is it, Putta? Pen drive? Storage. Very good. Good job. Then network interface card. Shortly we can say
Communication
NIC.
device.
Very good. Communication device, right? There are 15 devices. For each correct device recognition, you will receive 2 marks. 2 by 15, 30 marks, right? Keyboard is output. Sorry, keyboard, it's the input device. Speaker output. Mouse input. Printer output. Router, communication device. Hard disk, it's a storage device. CD, it's a storage device. Modem, it's a communication device. DVD, it's a storage device. Web camera, input device. Scanner, input device. Monitor, output device. Multimedia projector, output device. Pen drive, the storage device. And network interface card, NIC. It's a communication device. Okay, correct out your answers, Magipute. And collect your marks. You will receive 30 marks for this question. Right. Let's do the sixth question also. Name the following devices used in the given list. Name the following devices used in the given list. Let's see the given list first. Keyboard, printer, router, hard disk, web camera, scanner. Keyboard, printer, router, hard disk, web camera, scanner. Shall we identify these devices using the name? Okay. What is the first one, Pute? What is it?
Keyboard.
Very good. It's a keyboard. And second device?
Router.
Router. Very good. Third device?
Scanner.
What is it? Scanner. Very good. And what is this, Pute? Here you can see a inside of hard disk. This is a hard disk. Okay? Hard disk. And this one, fifth
camera.
one, web camera. And last one,
Printer.
printer, right? So there are 6 devices. So if you correctly identify all the devices, you will receive 6 marks.